Something told me it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl, when I saw you and that girl walking. I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free. I was just sitting here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace, when the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, revealed the tears that was on my face. And baby, 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 I'd rather be blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me.